Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. Hi, my name is Muhammad Amin bin Muhammad Razin. My matric number is 211301483. Today I will to explain about the converting expression using the stack. For the first, I will to explain what is the algebra expression. And algebra expression is a legal combination of the operator and operand. And next, the operand may be a variable like x, y, z, or the constant like 5, 4, or 6. And next, example of the familiar operator includes addition, subtract, multiply, divide, and others. For next, the operand is the quantity on which the mathematical operation is performed. Operator is the symbol which signifies a mathematical logical operation between the operand. And the last and the algebra expression can be represented using the three different notation. They are infix, postfix, and prefix notation. And next, we can see the three types of the expression. First is the infix. The arithmetic operator is fixed placed between the two operands in this form of an expression. For example, close bracket a plus b close and multiply c minus d. For the prefix, the arithmetic operator is fixed placed before the is to the operand in this form of the mathematical writing. Polish notation is the name given to the prefix notation after the Polish mathematician in the January by the Lucas in 1920. And next, the postfix is the structure of an arithmetic expression where the arithmetic operator is fixed placed after the post is to operand. The postfix notation is also known at the revenge the Polish notation, suffix notation, and postfix notation. So you can see the type of expression conversion from the infix to prefix, infix to postfix, or prefix to infix, prefix to postfix, or the postfix to infix and postfix to prefix. We have three the expression conversion as 6. So next, the infix to postfix conversion. The infix expression should be read from the left to the right. Push the scan the symbol into the stack if the last parenthesis is present. And third, they insert the scan symbol right into the postfix expression output if it's an operand. Fourth, to continue popping each item the stack and inserting it into the postfix expression until the matching left the parenthesis is obtained if the symbol when the scan is the right parenthesis. 5. Last, remove all operator from the stack and place them to postfix expression if and only if the precedence of the operator at the top of a stack is greater than or greater than or equal to the precedence of the scan operator. Otherwise, push the scan operator into the stack. Okay, next I will to explain about infix to postfix. We can see at the example for this question. First, we can see have a two bracket open. We take the first bracket. We can put to the stack first, and second, we can see the second open bracket. We can put at the stack. Put the stack also. And next, we take a to the postfix string and subtracts we put at the stack, and then we can see the open bracket we can put at the stack also, and we take the for b we put to postfix, and next the plus we can put at the stack, and you can just see can put at the postfix and the close bracket at the stack. but if two open and close, the plus will pop to the postfix string. And the second, we can see the next open bracket, we can see have the double close bracket. And for the last close bracket at the C, they have a subtract, have a open and close. The subtract will pop to postfix string. And next we can see for this multiply at the postfix string. For the right now is the status is A, B, C plus and subtract. So the multiply symbol you can put at the stack, but at the stack right now have a open bracket and multiply. And next is the D, symbol D. Symbol D we can put the postfix string. And next the close bracket we can put the stack. But for the right now at the stack have a open and multiply and the close bracket, so the multiply will be popped to the postfix string. For the next, we can see the arrow to the upstairs, that is power off. So for the right now, the status of postfix string is A, B, C plus subtract D and multiply. And the symbol for the arrow this is power off at the state right now. And next is the E. We can put the postfix string and you can see the E can put at the postfix string. And at the state so right now is arrow and open bracket. And next you can see the plus we will be put to at the stack. And next is F will put at the postfix string. And the stack status right now is arrow up and the open bracket and plus. And last is the close bracket. The close bracket will put to the stack, but the plus will pop to the postfix string. And the last is the power off at the stack. We can put the postfix string. And for the last step, this is the answer for conversion infix to postfix. And you can put the remark, the input is now empty. Pop the output symbol from the stack until it is empty. And next I will to explain infix to prefix conversion. For the infix the prefix conversion is the precedence rules for the converting and expression from the infix to prefix are identical. The only change from the postfix conversion is the traverse the expression from the right to the left, and the operator is placed before the operand rather than after them. The prefix of the complex expression is not the mirror image of the postfix form. We can see this at the picture for the conversion infix to prefix. We can see the question. For the example, you can see this like this. First, for the infix to prefix, we can will start from the left, from the right to the left. For the right now, we can see the close bracket. We can put first at the start, and we'll take the D, put at this prefix string, and the minus as subtracts we'll put at the stack, and C we'll put at the prefix string. And we can see the open bracket, we'll put the stack, with the open and close bracket, the subtract symbol will can pop to the prefix string. For the next is multiply. Multiply we can put at the stack, and close bracket we can put at the stack, and B we can put the postfix expression prefix string for the B, and plus you can put the at the start, and A can put the prefix string, and last is the open bracket. So we will have the open and close bracket, the symbol for the multiply, and for the multiply will pop to the prefix string. And the last for the answer from the infix to prefix is the, at this you can see the input is now empty, pop the output symbol from the stack until it is empty. And that's all from me. My name is Muhammad Amin. That's all from me. Thank you.